Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Core Health 365, your ultimate destination for all health related issues and fitness guidance. Have you ever had one of those days where you feel like you could run a marathon? Well, maybe a short one. And then other days, you barely have the energy to make your morning coffee? What if I told you the answer to why your energy bounces up and down could be hiding right here in your gut? That's right. Today, we're going to explore the power of probiotics, how these tiny living organisms can have a massive impact on your energy, your mood, and even your overall vitality as you age. If you're an older adult or you care for someone who is, this is a game changer. Because we now know your gut health doesn't just help digestion. It's connected to how energized you feel every single day. Let's face it, aging brings a lot of wisdom, but sometimes it also brings more frequent naps. Many older adults experience a noticeable drop in stamina and energy. But here's the surprising part. A lot of this isn't simply because you're getting old. It's often because of what's going on inside your body. Your cells have little power plants called mitochondria. They produce the energy your body needs to function, kind of like charging your phone. But to work at their best, mitochondria need nutrients from your food. And guess who's responsible for breaking down that food, pulling out the nutrients, and delivering them where they're needed? You guessed it, your gut. Inside your gut live trillions, yes, trillions of microorganisms. We call this your microbiome. Imagine it like a busy city with good citizens working day and night to keep everything running smoothly. When these good bacteria are plentiful and balanced, they help digest food, absorb nutrients, produce important vitamins, and even communicate with your brain to help regulate mood and energy. So, where do probiotics fit in? Probiotics are the good guy bacteria you can consume through certain foods or supplements. They're like reinforcements sent in to help your gut's healthy bacteria population. They help restore balance, which is especially important as we age, when changes in diet, medication use, and digestive function can tip the balance in favor of harmful bacteria. So, how exactly does gut health affect your energy levels? A healthy gut breaks food down more completely and helps your body absorb vitamins and minerals efficiently, especially B vitamins, magnesium, and iron, all of which are critical for energy production. Plus, a balanced gut reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can sap your energy and leave you feeling drained even when you've had enough rest. One of the most exciting discoveries in modern medicine is the gut-brain axis, a direct line of communication between your digestive system and your brain. Healthy gut bacteria create neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine that influence mood and energy. About 90% of serotonin, for example, is actually made in the gut, not the brain. And serotonin isn't just the happiness chemical, it also plays a role in regulating sleep and wakefulness, which are key to sustained energy. As we age, several factors can disrupt gut health. Reduce stomach acid, which makes digestion less efficient. Certain medications, like antibiotics, wipe out good bacteria. Diets low in fiber and high in processed foods. Less physical activity, which slows digestion. All of these can lead to constipation, bloating, nutrient deficiencies, and inflammation, all of which drain energy over time. Probiotics can replenish beneficial bacteria, improve digestion and nutrient absorption, reduce gut inflammation, support your immune system, which also affects how energetic you feel. Take a look at one of my senior patients' words, who has reduced his gut inflammation in a very short period. He said, I was always tired in the afternoons. My doctor suggested adding a probiotic-rich yogurt to my breakfast and taking a daily probiotic supplement. A month later, I noticed I wasn't reaching for coffee at 3 p.m. anymore. I had enough energy to play with my grandkids after dinner, and that was a big deal for me. Some of the best sources are yogurt with live cultures, kefir, a fermented milk drink, fermented vegetables like sauerkraut and kimchi, miso soup, tempeh, kombucha tea. Always check labels for live and active cultures. Otherwise, you might just be eating tasty but inactive bacteria. Probiotics need to be eaten too. Prebiotics are the fibers that feed them, found in foods like bananas, onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, and whole grains. Together, they form what's called a symbiotic relationship. Probiotics plus prebiotics equals a healthier gut. When picking a supplement, look for multiple strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, at least 1 billion CFUs per serving. Third-party tested for quality and potency. Most probiotics are safe, but if you have a weakened immune system or chronic illness, talk to your doctor before starting. Also, start slowly. Sometimes your gut needs time to adjust. A simple gut-friendly day might look like breakfast, yogurt with berries and oats. Lunch, whole grain sandwich with veggies. Snack, banana or apple. Dinner, lean protein with a side of sauerkraut. Daily walk, plenty of water, and a good night's sleep. Myth: all probiotics are the same. Fact: different strains have different benefits. Myth: you'll feel the effects immediately. Fact: it can take weeks to notice changes. Myth: only supplements work. Fact: food sources are equally powerful. Better gut health doesn't just give you more energy. It strengthens immunity, improves mood, supports healthy weight, and reduces risks for certain chronic diseases. Your gut is the foundation of your overall health. Take care of it with probiotics, prebiotics, and healthy lifestyle habits, and you'll be amazed at how much energy and life you get back. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips like this, and share it with someone who could use a little more energy. Remember, when you take care of your gut, you take care of your life.